In this section we'll see that adding fractions which involve algebraic quantities is no different to working with just numeric quantities. We're going to simplify the following fractions. We have 3 over x plus 2 over y. We want to express them both as fractions over the lowest common multiple of x and y. And the lowest common multiple of x and y is x times y. So we have 3 over x plus 2 over y. They both need to be expressed over xy. X has been multiplied by y, so we need to do the same to the 3, getting 3y. Y has been multiplied by x. We need to do the same to the 2, so we get 2x. Now they're over the same denominator, we can simply add. If we add, we get 3y plus 2x. For 1 over 4a plus 3 over 2a squared, I'm going to look for the last time at finding the lowest common multiple in detail. 4a is 1 times 2 times 2 times a. 2a squared is 1 times 2 times a times a. Starting with this one, the lowest common multiple is 1 times 2 times a times a. Here we have a 1, a 2 and an a. We don't have the extra times 2, so we bring it down here. 1 times 2 is 4, and a times a is a squared. So now using this, both of our fractions need to be expressed over 4a squared. We have 1 over 4a plus 3 over 2a squared. And they both need to be over 4a squared. (4a) times a gives 4a squared. 1 times a is a. 2a squared times 2 is 4a squared. 3 times 2 is 6. Now we have the same denominator, we can simply add, giving us a plus 6 over 4a squared.